Attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, unité, top. Allumage Vulcain. Allumage des EAP, décollage. Les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
And there she blows, hauling herself against the gravity of the Earth, nearly 800 tons, roughly the weight of 2 jumbo jets. After the initial 6-second vertical climb, we rotated to the east, and we're now heading out over the Atlantic Ocean. And we can hear her flying over now in our commentary box. We're burning 3 engines, 2 on the boosters, 1 on the main stage. Of course, the boosters are doing all the work here. Their job is to get us away from the Earth, even though we ignited all 3 of those engines on the ground. We need an awful lot of firepower to push us against the gravity of the Earth. So those boosters are providing 90% of the thrust right now. That's roughly the equivalent of 12 jumbo jets. They're going to burn for a couple of minutes. Each booster burns 2 tons of propellant. So to give you a rough idea, if you would fill your car with petrol weekly, you'd be burning about 1.5 years' worth of petrol in 1 second. Now, Thomas, before launch, all eyes were on the status panel's screen, and now we're actually looking at another screen. We call it the trajectory. On the left-hand side, you can see the curve on the top.
Actually, on the left part of your screen, for our reviewers, there is a line which is the computed trajectory of the launch vehicle, and there is a white dot moving on the curve. That's the actual position of the launch vehicle, and this sticks perfectly to the prevision of the flight.
And we can see here the separation of the boosters. Beautiful images, those 2 dots falling back to Earth. They've burnt their fuel. We don't need them anymore, so they're falling back down to Earth. So we're losing weight, Thomas.
Yes, we have lost about 2/3 of our weight in just 2 minutes of flight. And you know, the lighter we are, the faster we go. That's the basic rule in space science.
Absolutely. And we're looking here at the fairing, the top of the vehicle. It's protecting the 2 satellites from the riggers of the launch. The satellites are inside it. What kind of riggers are we talking about?